Good morning, dear children. Once again, it's me Sachin sir with our next session. Let us continue the chapter once again. And today's topic is Khilafat movement. Make sure it's Khilafat movement. Before we come to the point, let us begin. See, every point is connected with the previous point. So every now and then we are going in flashback. So let us see what was Khilafat movement and how it was responsible for the nationwide movement, non-cooperation movement. Let us see them. While the Rowlatt Satyagraha was on widespread, it was still limited in the towns and cities of India. This time, Gandhiji felt a need to launch a nationwide satyagraha, a need to launch a mass satyagraha where all the people of India would participate and would exert pressure on British system and would ask for the reasonable and accountable government. But for this, Mahatma Gandhi had known no such movement can be carried out without the unity of Hindus and Muslims. And according to that standard of time, Hindus and Muslims were not that united. So he wanted Hindus and Muslims together so that all the Indians would participate in that nationwide movement, and that's what we can call a nationwide movement when the entire nation participates. But for that purpose, Mahatma Gandhi wanted Hindus and Muslims to be together. And in those days, then he got that opportunity by means of Khilafat issue. What was Khilafat issue? Khilafat issue was all related to Turkey. See, in Europe, World War I was fought between 1914 to 1918. In this World War I, Central Powers fought with Allied powers. And finally, England was victorious. England defeated Turkey. And after defeating Turkey, England imposed a Treaty of Sevres in which some insulting conditions had been imposed. And they were shaking the position of Khalifa in Turkey. And in order to support Khalifa, finally Khilafat issue started. Let us see here Khilafat issue by means of Khilafat movement. You have Khilafat movement, and this is important as far as questions are raised, as far as questions are concerned. See what type of question can be asked. Write a short note on Khilafat movement or what was Khilafat movement. See, Khilafat movement, when you hear, the points covered will be same. These are the points. Now, I shall explain you Khilafat movement. At the same means I will explain you the topic Khilafat movement. At the same time, if this question is asked in board, so how to write answer, I will explain you answer as well. So please be attentive and try to listen so that after this video you will be able to write answer of your own. Let us try to get it in the form of story as to know what was Khilafat movement and what was Khilafat issue. Let us see then. Here, please pay attention. Turkey was under the control of Ottoman Empire. See, I am explaining both point and answer. Turkey was under the influence of Ottoman Empire. The ruler of Turkey was called as Khalifa. The ruler of Turkey was called as Khalifa. And Khalifa means he was the spiritual leader. Khalifa was the spiritual leader of Muslims all over the world. He was the leader of all the Muslims all over the world. Turkey was defeated in World War I by England. And then, as Turkey was defeated in World War I, as the position of Khalifa was in danger, to defend, see this point, to defend the temporal power of Khalifa, a Khilafat committee had been formed in Bombay in March 1919. To defend the, did you understand this? To defend the temporal power of Khalifa, a Khilafat committee was formed in Bombay in March 1919. There then, young Muslim leaders such as Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali, they began discussing with Mahatma Gandhi the need to carry out mass action. The need to carry out mass action, and that was the golden opportunity for Mahatma Gandhi. That was the golden opportunity for Mahatma Gandhi because Mahatma Gandhi wanted Muslims to be together. He wanted unity of Hindus and Muslims, and the proposal came from Muslim side by means of Khilafat movement. The proposal came to Mahatma Gandhi by means of Muslim side, and by means of this, Hindu and Muslim unity was possible. So Mahatma Gandhi decided to bring all the Hindus and Muslims under the umbrella of national movement struggle. And then then at the session of Calcutta 1920, Mahatma Gandhi started convincing the other leaders of Congress for the Khilafat movement, so that they would be able to carry out a nationwide movement like non-cooperation movement in future for attaining Swaraj. Gandhiji was very happy when this opportunity he got, because for carrying out nationwide movement, he wanted Hindus and Muslims together, and finally he got Hindus Muslims together, and now nationwide movement or a mass movement would be able to see that. This is all about Khilafat movement. So please remember these points then, and try to write your own answer. Try to remember the core points as I told you earlier. Try to remember core points. Try to make your own answers, and also please try to find out objectives, one-word answers in the form of names of places, in the form of names of people, in the form of years. Please chalk out, please underline in textbook and find out your own answers. Thank you very much. Keep watching videos and keep learning. Keep saying stay.